have your pet?
No.
Pleasey?
No.
I'm going to tell the admin that you hacked.
But I didn't.
Admin, he is hacky.
Where is the proof?
He has an ultra legendary pet and does not want to give it to me.